morning everyone. Today's thought is never stops learning because life never stops teaching. Today's date is 2nd of August 2020 and day is Sunday.
Good morning everyone. Welcome back to SHIVAJI Group of Institutions online classes. Students, before starting our class, let's take 1 minute relax. So take your both hand like this and close your eyes and follow my instructions. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale, inhale, exhale. Now open your eyes and put on your both hands and be relaxed. So student, this is your first period of English language. So pick out your book and notebook both. Open page number 18. And today we will discuss about chapter 5, apostrophe S and apostrophe S. When we say something about someone, I'm going to discuss it with a sentence, okay? This is a frock of Tina. So, in short, what will we say? Tina's frock. This is a frock of Tina. Frock of Tina converts to Tina's frock. That means the last word comes first and then put apostrophe and then S and then the first one. Okay? Tina's frock. They both hand has same meaning. This is a frock of Tina and this is Tina's frock. They both seems like same, red, right? So when you want to short the words, this is a complete line and in very short that is explained here. Both have the same sense. The frock of Tina and Tina's frock, we only put apostrophe here. Apostrophe and with S. We only put apostrophe and S here and the sentence has same meaning but that is converted in a short form. Right? This is a complete sentence and this is a short form of the sentence. Apostrophe S. That means car. In Hindi you can say car. A frock of Tina, Tina's frock. Pencil of baby. Babies. Pencil. A group of persons. A group of persons group. Anything which contains officers, S is already there. The quarters of the officers are well maintained. So the officers then apostrophe quarters are very well maintained. Sachin 7, 8 and 9. The advice of parents, S is already there. So the parents then apostrophe advice. The ticket of the passenger, the passengers, or S is already here, so we will put only sign here. The passengers apostrophe sign, then tickets, proper way. We now underline the adjectives in the given sentences. Rahul is a rich person. So, rich describes the personality of Rahul, right? So, underline rich. This cup of coffee is very hot. So, hotness is describing here, right? Description of coffee is hotness. So, underline hot. It had arrived in 4. Describing word better. In 5th, intelligent. In 6th, animated. 7, thin. And thick both are describing word. In 8, happy. 9, beautiful. 10, deep. C section and underline the describing word. Disobedient is also a describing word. Stubborn is a describing word. Thick is a describing word. Dark is a describing word. Crying is also a describing word. Valuable is a describing word. Piercing is also a describing word. So find out the describing words which are here in this passage. You have to do it by yourself. Some few of here I told it to you. Next of all, you have to do it by yourself. D section, match the following. Column A and column B is given here. You have to match the both columns. In one side column there is noun and in the another column there are their describing words. So choose the proper describing word for the noun and match them together. In another key number section, there is a help box again for you all. So describing words are given in the explanation box, help box. You have to pick the accurate describing word for the sentence. In F section, opposite, match opposite words. So match it and enhance your knowledge. You have to join the words and write it together. Then one is given, no one is given for you. You have to do it by yourself. Joy plus full, joyful, spoonful, meaningful, wonderful, peaceful, painful, cheerful, truthful, helpful, respectful, colorful, needful, harmful and careful. You have to done it. So to complete this exercise, and in our next class we will talk about comparison. Okay, so read this chapter and then we will talk about the comparison. And before of that, you have to do the chapter 5 and chapter 6 by yourself, and to complete the exercise in your book and your copy also. To complete your work in neat and clean handwriting with the help of your parents and with the help of this video. We will meet in our next class. Till then, take care, bye-bye and thank you.
Morning students, welcome to SHIVAJI Group of Institutions online classes. This is the maths class and today we will start our next next topic, next exercise 4B, and the topic is estimation. Okay students? Students, in our previous lecture, we will complete the exercise 4 and today's our topic is estimation. Okay students, before estimation, we must know how to round up a number to the nearest 10 and nearest 100. Okay students, then first we know how to rounding off to the nearest 10. Rounding off to the nearest 10. Okay, students, rounding off to the nearest 10 means on a scale of 0 to 10, we observe that the number of 0 to 4 are nearer to 0 and the numbers 6 to 9 are nearer to 10. Look, we have a scale and the number 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. We have a scale and the numbers are 0 to 10. Okay, students? The numbers 0 to 4 are nearer to 0. The numbers 0 to 4 means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 are nearer to 0. And the numbers 6 to 10 are nearer to 10. Means the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 are the numbers that are nearer to 10. Okay, students? The numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 are nearer to 0. And the numbers 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 are nearer to 10. And the number 5 is in the center of the scale. So it's nearer to 10. Okay, students? The number 5. So it's nearer to 10. So the number 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is rounding up to 0. And the numbers 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is rounding up to 10. Okay, students? Next, rounding off to the nearest 100. Rounding off to the nearest 100. Now, on a scale, we have the number 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 90 and 100. The number 0 to 40 are rounded up to 0, and the number 60 to 100 are rounded up to 100, and 50 also. 50 rounded up 100. Okay, students? The number 0 to 40 are rounded up 0, and the number 50 to 100 are rounded up to 100. Okay, students? Now come to our exercise 4P. Look how we rounded off a number. We have the number 237. Rounded off to nearest 100. We have the number 237. First we look the last two digits. Last two digit number is 37. Last two digit number is 37. We saw on the scale 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. The number 37, maybe 37 is here. Okay, students? So we rounded off this number 37. 37 is between 0 to 40. So number 37 is rounded off to 0. Then the number 237 is rounded off 200, because 37 is rounded off 0. Then the number 237 is rounded off 200. We have the next number 467, 465. Okay students, on this scale we saw the number last two digit number 65. 65 is here. So 65 is here. 50 to 100. 50 to 100 is rounded off. 100. So 65 is rounded off. 65 rounded off. Rounded off 100. Okay students, then 65 is rounded off 100. Then 465 is rounded off 500. Okay students, 465 is rounded off 500. Okay, understood? Now come to our exercise 4P. Exercise 4P. Okay students, part A, estimate the following sums to the nearest hundreds. Okay, and the question number 1 is 173 plus 58. 173 plus 58. Firstly, rounded up the first number. First number is 173. First we rounded up this number. We have the number 173. We took last two digits. Last two digits 73. It's rounded off because it's greater than 50. 73 is greater than 50. So it's rounded off 100. Then 173 is rounded off 200. Why 173 is rounded off 200? Because 73 is greater than 50. So 73 is rounded off 100. Then 173 is rounded off 200. Okay students, 173 is rounded off 200. Next, we have the number 52, 58, and we know 58. 58 is greater than 50. 58 is greater than 50. So 58 is rounded off 100. 58 is rounded off. 58 is rounded off 100. Thus, sum 173 is rounded off 200 plus 58 is rounded off 100. Add this number 200 plus 100 is equal to 300. Okay students, and the actual sum of these numbers are the actual sum of these numbers 173 plus 58. 231, and the estimation of these numbers. First we rounded off the first number. The first number is 173. 73 is rounded off 100. Then 173 is rounded off 200. And the second number is 58. 58 is rounded off 100. And both of numbers 200 plus 100 is equal to 300. Okay students. Now come to our next question, question number 2. Question number 2. Question number 2 is 463 plus 128. Okay. First we rounded off this number 463. Students, we took last two number 63, and we know 63 is greater than 50. 63 is greater than 50. So 63 is rounded up 100. Then 463 is rounded up 500. 463 is rounded off 500. Okay, students? 463 is rounded off. Of 500. Okay, students? And next number is 128. 28 is less than 50. 28 is less than 50. So 28 is rounded up 0. So 28 is rounded up 0. Then 128 is rounded up 100. Okay, students? Then thus sum up these numbers. 463 plus 463 is rounded up 500, and 128 is rounded up 100. Then the sum is 600. Okay, students? And our next question is 287 plus 189. Students, when we rounded off the first number 287, then look. Question number 3. 287 plus 189. First we rounded off this number 287. We take last two digits 87. 87 is greater than 50. So 87 is rounded off 100, and the number 287 is rounded off 300, and the second number is 189. 89 is greater than 50. So 89 is rounded off 100, and 189 is rounded off 200. The sum of the numbers 300 plus 200 is equal to 500. And the actual sum of these numbers, actual sum is equal to 287 plus 189 is equal to 476. Friends, question number 4, question number 5, and question number 6 is same as question number 1, 2, and 3. So you all have to do question number 4, 5, and 6 yourself. And now come to part B. Estimate the following to the nearest hundreds. Question number 1 is estimate the following to the nearest hundreds, and also compare the estimated difference with the actual differences. Okay, students? And question number 1 is 630 minus 156. And first number 630. When we rounded off this number, we look last two digits 13. 13 is less than 50. 13 is less than 50. So 13 is rounded off 0, and then 613 is rounded off 600. Okay, students? Because 13 is less than 50, so 13 is rounded off 0. So 613 is rounded off 600. And the next number is 156. Students, 56 is greater than 50. 56 is greater than 50. Then 56 is rounded off 100. Then 156 is rounded off 200. 156 is rounded off 200. Thus, the sum of The difference of the estimation is 600 minus 200, and the difference is 400. Okay, students, and the actual difference is equal to 630 minus 156. 630 and 156. 630 and 156. Okay. And the actual difference is 457. Okay, students, the actual difference is 457 and the estimated difference is 400, and the actual difference is 457. Okay, students, question number 2. Question number 2 is question number 2, 725 minus 345. When we rounded off this number 725, we know 25 is less than 50, then 25 is rounded off 0, then 725 is rounded off 700, and 345. Okay, students, 345. 45 is less than 50. Then 45 is rounded off 0. Then 345 is rounded off 300. Okay, students. Thus, the difference of estimated difference is 700 minus 300 is equal to 400. Estimated difference is 400, and the actual difference, students, and the actual difference is 725 minus 345. 380. The actual difference is 380 and the estimated difference is 400. Okay, students? Question number 3 to 6 are as same as question number 1 and 2. So you have to do all the questions yourself. Now come to part C. Estimate each of the following. So let's estimate each of the following products by rounding off each number to the nearest tenth. Okay. It means multiply both numbers with rounding off each numbers to the nearest 10. We have the number 37 multiplied by 22. First we rounded off the number 37. Okay. Then we rounded off this number to nearest 10. Students, as we know, the first is 7. 7 is greater than 5. Students, 7 is greater than 5. So 7 is rounded off to 10. 7 is rounded off 10. Then 37 is rounded off. 37 is rounded off 40. Because 7 is greater than 5, then 37 is rounded off 40. And the next number is 22. 22 students. The ones digit number is 2. 2 is less than 5. Then 2 is rounded off 0, and 22 is rounded off. 22 is rounded off 20. Okay, students. 22 is rounded off 20. Then multiply the estimated numbers 40 multiplied by 20. 40 multiplied by 20. Multiply and the estimated number is 800. Okay, friends. First we rounded off this number 37 is rounded off 40 nearest tens, and the 22 is rounded off 20 the nearest tens. Then we multiply both numbers 40 and 20 and the answer is 800. It means the nearest tens number is 40 and 20. When we multiply both numbers, then the estimated number is 800. Okay, students. Question number 2, 23 multiplied by 18. Students, next question is 23 multiplied by 18. First we take 23, it's rounded off. Students, 3 is less than 5. Then 3 is rounded off 0. Then 23 is rounded off 20 and 18. Students, 8 is greater than 5. 8 is greater than 5. Then 8 is rounded off 10. Then 18 is rounded off. 18 is rounded off 20. Okay, students. Then estimated value is 20 multiplied by 20. Then estimated number is 400. Okay, students. Question number 3 is same as question number 1 and 2. So, students, your exercise finished, and your today's homework is complete exercise 4P. Students, your homework is complete exercise 4P. Okay, students, now your class is over, and next time we will start exercise 4Q. Okay.
This is your moral science class. So everyone, just take out your model book and notebook also. In our previous class, I sent you a PDF and audio file. In that class, we read this chapter, that is God is omnipresent, and in this chapter we know that God is present everywhere. We learn that God is everywhere present, and so we don't do any such kind of bad activities. Or so in this chapter we read a story about a teacher and a disciple. And what was the name of that disciple? He was Rama. Who was the teacher of Rama? Mr. Swamiji Sadako. And why he proud to him? Who proud to him? Who proud to who? Mr. Swami proud to Mr. or his disciple Rama. Why? Because he understood every sermons by giving by his teacher, his Swamiji. So now just take out your moral science notebook and put the date and class work. Mention chapter 4, God is omnipresent, and remember writing should be neat and clean, and when we write hard words or word meaning, first letter should be small. So in your page, new page, write chapter 4, God is omnipresent, and put the heading hard words. Draw a centered line, put the numbers 1 to 20, and let's start to write It is also called, we call school, caliber. C-A-L-I-B-R-E, caliber. Next, condition. C-O-N-D-I-T-I-O-N, condition. Next, mountains. M-O-U-N-T-A-I-N-S, mountains. Next, politely. P-O-L-I-E-T-L-Y, politely. Next, build. B-U-I-L-D. Next, judging. J-U-D-G-I-N-G, judging. Next, servants. S-E-R-V-A-N-T-S. Next, retire. R-E-T-I-R-E, retire. Next, expect. Just wait. Accept. E-X-C-E-P-T. Next, impact. I-M-P-A-C-T. Next, omnipresent. O-M-N-I-P-R-E-S-E-N-T. Next, quickly. Q-U-I-C-K-L-Y, quickly. Next, transparent. T-R-A-N-S, trans, P-A-R-E-N-T, transparent. Next, disciples. It means students or pupils. D-I-S-C-I-P-L-E-S, D-I-S-C-I-P-L-E-S, disciples. And the last, parent. P-A-R-R-O-T, parent. So note down in your notebook, and again I am repeating. First is creation, next purpose, third gathered, and fourth sermons, fifth pathshala, sixth caliber, seventh condition, eighth mountains, ninth politely, 10th build, and 11th judging, 12th servants, 13th retire, 14th accept, 15th impact, and the next omnipresent, next quickly, next transparent, next disciples, next parent. So you have to write all the hard words in your notebook and learn it. Okay? So now word meaning. Next is word meaning. Open your book. First word meaning is sermon. Sermon means teachings. Next, gathered. It means came together in a group. For example, when your teacher or when I call you, come with your friends. When you come with your friends in a group, that is called gathered. If I call you only you, then it is alone. Caliber, capability, omnipresent, everywhere. So now you all have to just do page number 26 and 28 in your homework. Take out your diaries and note down your homework. Do hard words and word meaning in your notebook. And do exercise. Exercise on page number 28. 26, 27 and 28. 26 to 28 and learn it. Learn also. Thank you students for attending this class. I hope you all have completed your work. So now just take a rest for 5 minutes and come back after for your next class. Thank you. Everyone, this is your GK class. So everyone just take out your GK book and open page number 16, chapter 8. That is Know Your Country. In this chapter we learn or read about our country. So India is a land with vivid landscapes and physical features. From Kashmir to Kanyakumari, we have a lot of astonishing features and geography. So we have in India, we have many lands and different kinds of physical features also. So in this chapter you all have to just matching the sentences. So first is the longest bridge above water. So the longest bridge above water, match with option C. Here I just write down the number. Okay, here I just नंबरिंग करूँगी. इधर आपको अपनी नोटबुक में या बुक में आपको मैचिंग करनी है, बट डोंट मैच विथ स्केल. जस्ट राइट नंबर्स in front of correct answer. So first match with option C, Bhupen Hazarika Bridge. So in front of C answer you have to just write option number 1. Okay. Now second, the largest freshwater lake. Largest freshwater lake, match with option E, that is Buller Lake in Kashmir. E. Okay. Here I just write the answer name also. Buller Lake, Kashmir. And first was Bhupen Hazarika Bridge. Now third is the highest peak. Peak means चोटी, सबसे चोटी, मतलब सबसे लंबी चोटी क्या है बताइए? माउंट कंचनजंगा. So right here A. Mount Kanchunjunga, Kanchenjunga. Okay. Now fourth is the largest museum. Largest museum is B option, Indian Museum in Kolkata. Option B, Indian Museum in Kolkata. Okay, you don't have to write this name. Here I just write for your identification. Okay. Now fifth, Fifth is the tallest statue. The tallest statue in our country, it is D option. Statue of Unity in Gujarat. So match option 5 number with option D. STATU is Statue of Unity, Gujarat. Done. First with option C. Now second match with option E. Now third match with A. Fourth match with B. Fifth match with D. Now sixth. Now sixth is the biggest stadium auto racing. Match with correct answer is I. Buddh International Circuit, Greater Noida. Match with I. It is Buddh International Circuit, Greater Noida. Greater Noida. Now seventh is the largest state by population. Match with option F. And this answer is Uttar Pradesh. 8 question 8 match with the longest dam. The longest dam, correct answer is option J. Hirakud Dam. Hirakud Dam in Odisha. Okay. Now 9. Match it with the longest railway tunnel. Match it with G. Fifth, Punjab Railway Tunnel, Jammu and Kashmir. Okay. Now last but not the least, smallest state in area. Match it with option H. Goa. Goa is the smallest state in our country. Done. Match 6th number with I, 7th with F, 8 with J, 9 with G and 10 with H. And do you know students, the largest desert in India is the desert in Rajasthan. Okay. And move to chapter 9, that is guess my new name, and page number 17. Do you know Varanasi has its origin from the two tributaries of the Ganga, Varna and Asi. In this chapter you have to just identify the new name of the city or country. City, okay. What is the name? Said the famous poet William Shakespeare. Some Indian cities have been renamed in a recent past. Select the new name of the city out of the option provided. In this chapter you have to just give new names and you have to identify their previous name. First, Gurgaon. Recently Gurgaon is known as Gurgaon, and but मुंबई, मुंबई इट इज मुंबई इसका क्या है, न्यू नेम है. कैलकाटा, कैलकाटा, कैलकाटा इट्स द प्रीवियस नेम एंड रिसेंटली इट्स नेम इज कोलकाता. कोची, इट्स स्पेलिंग राइट नाउ KOCHI, कोची. Now fifth, Madras, Madras is known as nowadays Chennai. 6, Pondicherry, Pondicherry is known as Pondicherry. 7, Banaras, Banaras is known as nowadays Varanasi. 8, Baroda, Baroda is known as nowadays Vadodara. Okay, this chapter you have to complete in your homework. Now move to chapter 10 and open page number 18. Chapter 10, page number 18, and the chapter name is Religious Places of India. Religious means holy places. धार्मिक स्थल, धार्मिक जगह, like temples. Temples are holy places, religious places. India is a land of several religions and every religion is respected equally. In India we have many religions and we have many religious places also, and we Indians respect all the religions. Okay, so in this chapter some pictures are given and you have to just identify the picture's name. Okay, the first is this Hindu temple is located in Puri, Odisha and is dedicated to Lord Jagannath. This temple is located in Puri, Odisha and dedicated to Lord Jagannath, and this temple is known as Sri Jagannath Temple. So write the spelling of Sri Jagannath Temple. SHREE Sri Jagannath, JAGAN Jagannath, NATL Jagannath, TEMPLE Temple. Now second is this Buddhist temple is located in Bodh Gaya where Lord Buddha attained enlightenment. This is known as Mahabodhi temple. So write here the spelling of Mahabodhi. MAH Maha, BODHI Bodhi, TEMPLE temple. Mahabodhi temple. Now third, the Muslim Dargah is located on an island near Worli Coast in Mumbai. This place is known as Haji Ali Dargah. So write here the spelling of Haji Ali Dargah. HAZI Haji, ALI Ali, Dargah, DAR Dargah. Okay. Now move to fourth. Also known as Bahai Temple, this temple is located in New Delhi and is open to people of every religion, and its structure is like a half open lotus flower. This temple is known as Lotus Temple. LOTUS Lotus, TEMPLE Temple. Now fifth is this temple is located in Mumbai and is dedicated to Lord Ganesh. Siddhi Vinayak Temple. SIDD Siddhi Vinayak. Now Siddhi Vinayak Temple. TPLE. Lord Ganesh is also known as Vinayak. Sixth, the Sikh temple is located in Amritsar and is also known as Golden Temple. It is known as again I am repeating. First is Sri Jagannath Temple, second Mahabodhi Temple, third Haji Ali Dargah, fourth Lotus Temple, fifth Siddhivinayak Temple, and the sixth Har Mandir Sahib. The water body surrounding the Har Mandir Sahib is called Amrit Sarovar. Okay. So now this chapter is also done in your classwork. Now move to chapter 11, page number 19, that is folk dances of India. In this chapter you all have to identify the dance of their states and write the dance name. Okay? And every state have their own folk dances. So you all have to just identify the dance and write their name. Now move to chapter 12. And the chapter 12 is National Parks of India. National Parks of India, and it is on page number 20. So in this chapter we read about national parks. National parks are areas where wild animals and protected animals species are kept. India has many national parks which are home to many endangered birds and animals. Match their names with the states where they are located. So here the name of the national parks are given. So you will have to just identify where the parks are located, in which state. So let's start. First is Jim Corbett National Park. Jim Corbett National Park. Match it with where it is located. Where? Any guesses? Uttarakhand. So match it with option C. Done? Now second is Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park. Kaziranga National Park is located at where? It is located at Assam. So match this with option A, Assam. Third, Kanha National Park. Third is Kanha National Park. Where this park is located? In which state? It is located at, any guesses? B, Madhya Pradesh. So match it with option B. And the fourth, Ranthambore National Park. Fourth is Ranthambore National Park. National Park. In which state this park is located? It is located at where? At Rajasthan. So match it with option E, Rajasthan. Now fifth is GIR National Park. GIR National Park. In which state this park is located? With option D. So here I am again repeating. First, Jim Corbett National Park match with C. Kaziranga National Park match with A. Third, Kanha National Park match with B. Fourth, Ranthambore National Park match with E. 5. GIR National Park match with D. So this is done for today's class. In your homework, you all have to learn all the chapters and do chapter 9 and 11. Okay? Alright? So note down your homework in your diary. Do chapter 9 and 11 and learn all the chapters. And learn chapter 8, 9, 10, 8, 9, 10 and 12. 8, 9 and chapter 8, 9, 10, 11. Learn. Okay, so thank you students for attending this class. See you in our next class. Thank you. Hello children, this is your craft period. All you are excited? Yes, so let's start. Before starting our today's class, I would like to tell you today we are going to make Rakhi. You all know very well that Raksha Bandhan is coming. So let's make a Rakhi. And for making a Rakhi, you all have to just require some material, that is few sticking stones. If you have pearls, then you can use whatever you have for a decoration. A ribbon, two circles, big and small, one mirror. If you have any decorated stone, then you can use it. And molly, this is also known as Raksha Sutra. It is easily available at your home. Favicol and scissor. So let's start to make it. So take a molly and cut that like this. You have to cut many pieces. Then take a favicol, apply on this at the end part from the both side, then fix it like this. Now fix it. Then after doing this, you have to just join the end part from the both side like this, and it will look like a flower petal. Then also fix it with favicol. Apply a favicol like this. You have to make many pieces like this. Already make it. Now take your big size circle and start pasting. Apply a favicol on. Stick your stone. I have a mirror, then I use it.
Now I take stones for decoration. Now I take another white pearl and stick it here in the petal shape. You all have to just make it. Now take a circle, apply a favicol and take a ribbon and stick on it. Then apply favicol again. Then stick it. And your Rakhi is completed. So dear students, you all have to make a Rakhi, handmade Rakhi for your brothers and make your Raksha Bandhan special. Just stay safe and stay at home. Thank you students for attending this class.